A cylinder has radius of 5 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. Find its curved surface area, total surface area, and the volume. So we have to calculate these three things. Solution will be curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. This is the formula for calculating curved surface area of the cylinder. We'll apply the values in this. It is 2 into 22/7. This is the value of pi into 5. It is radius into 14. It is height. So we'll cancel it with this 7. It is 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now it becomes 2 into 22 into 5 into 2. Finally, it is 440 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now the total surface area. The formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. TSA will be equal to 2 into 22/7. This is the value of pi. It is r. And this is r plus h. Finally, it becomes 44/7 into 5 into 19. R plus h is 19. So the final value is 4180 divided by 7. And the answer is 597.14. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Finally, we have to calculate the volume as well. So it is the formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder. It is pi r squared h. It is equal to pi into 5 into 5. This is the value of r square and it is 14. This is the height. So it becomes 7700 divided by 7. Finally, it is 1100 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. This is our answer.